All right, good morning, second grade friends. So I'm going to teach you some math that you're going to be doing in your your home connection, pages 105 and 106. So I'm going to teach you the number line strategy and something that you could do with subtraction. So I'm going to do two samples here, and then it will help you with solving the problems in your home connection books. And then I'm going to do two story problems that will help you with your, again, home connection book. So when you have two-digit numbers and you're subtracting them, they're kind of big. So one way to think about subtraction is to make it into an addition. So whatever number is here for a subtraction and here, those should be added up to get this answer. So I'm going to use the number line strategy. So again, if I take this number and add to here, then I change it into an addition problem. So I could change it to 32 plus box equals 73. So my number line, I'm going to start with 32. And I need to jump all the way to 73. So our first jump, we want to try to get to a number that has a 0 at the end. So the number that I'm looking for is 40. 32 plus 40 is 8. So I just jumped 8. Now I'm at the mark of a 0 at the end, which makes it a lot easier to add. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm trying to get to 70 right here. So I'm going to add a 10. That's going to give me 50. Another 10. That's going to be 60. And another 10. Give me 70. Then I just need to add my 3. So down here, you'll have a little line, and it says, so the equation is da-da-da. So what you're going to do in this box is you are just taking all these numbers and you're adding them up. 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 3. And I know right away that this is going to be 10, 20, 30. Plus 8 and 3 is 11. So my answer is now going to be, I should be able to add all those numbers together, which is going to be 41. 10, 20, 30. Plus 8 is 38, and 3 more is 41. And so therefore, I can use these jumps, flipping it around for an addition problem. Therefore, it's still the answer is 41. So we'll practice this one more time with a different equation down here. So again, we have a huge two numbers that we want to subtract. And we'll be using the chunking strategy for subtraction later on in ones and tens with that. But right now, again, we're going to use the number line. So we're going to flip-flop this to make it 29 plus box equals 56. So we're looking for how many jumps it takes to get from 29 all the way to 56. Again, using that strategy, trying to get to a number that ends in a 0. I'm going to add 1 to get to 30. And I'm going to add another 10. It's going to get me to 40. Another 10 is going to get me to 50. Therefore, I just need to add 6 more. So again, here, your jumps are your equation. So I'm going to add these two together to make it easier. 20 plus 1 plus 6 is 7, and that's going to give me 27. All right, so that is the strategy that you're going to be using. Flip-flop it from a subtraction to an addition problem. All right, flipping it to the next slide over here. Story problem. So make sure you're showing your thinking. That is going to be exactly what I'm looking for. I need to know what is your strategy and how you got your answer. I don't want just an answer. I want to see your thinking. And the equation, show your thinking, complete sentence, we know what to do. There were 18 Valentine cookies on the plate. My brother came and ate some. We don't know how many. And now there are 6 Valentine cookies left on my plate. How many did my brother eat? By the way, my brother's name is Matt, and he would probably do that. 18 minus box equals 6. So again, taking that strategy, flipping it around, let's make that into an addition problem. 6 plus box equals 18. Number line, starting at 6, we need to get to 18. I'm going to jump a 4 to get to 10. And I got to get from 10 to 8. We know how to add those numbers, lickety split, which is going to be 8. So your answer is 8 plus 4 is 12. So your answer would be 12. Same numbers, you're just making it into an addition problem. All right, my pencils keep getting dull. Here's your last part. So this, you don't necessarily have to have a, oh, I forgot. Down here you'll have a, how many, I would say my brother, forgot that last part, sorry. My brother ate 12 cookies. Just nice to be able to practice your penmanship, sentences, capitals, and periods. Okay, so Josh had 4 oranges. He cut each orange into 5 slices. Each slice had 2 seeds in it. How many seeds in all? So I'm going to start by drawing my oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I need to cut each into 5 slices, which means I need 4 lines, and I'll show you why. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 lines, 2, 3, 4 is going to give me 5 slots, or 5 slices. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have each orange with 5 slices, and each has 2 seeds. So you could do dots, 2 seeds in each. You could write the number 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Or you could write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I'm just going to put my 10 down here. So I know that there's going to be 2 in each. And I'm going to have 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So if I already know that, I don't necessarily have to show my thinking for the rest of that, because you know you're counting by 2s. So each orange you'll add together. But I'll go ahead and just show you. You could even go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, because each orange is going to have a 10 seeds in all. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, whatever makes sense to you. So you're going to add those numbers together, and you're going to get 40. So I would say Josh, whoopsie, sorry, has 40 seeds. There you go. So I just gave you some samples. Go back and rewatch this video if you have any questions when you do your home connections pages 105 and 106. Got 2-story problems. All right. You guys are making me proud. So proud of each of you. Have a good rest of your day.